Hello again and welcome. In this video, which will probably be a short one, I want to quickly go over some of the new updates on our dashboard. As you know, our server runs on Linux. Generally, managing a Python bot on Linux means you have to use the terminal for everything, starting it, stopping it, or changing any file and parameter. This can get really tedious and frustrating for users as you have to memorize and manually type in a ton of commands just to manage your bot. It's an unnecessary headache. That's exactly why this dashboard was created. My goal from the start was to have a specific command running behind every single button. Everything is programmed so that when you click a button, that command is automatically sent to your Linux server. The icons and labels make it very obvious what each action does. Starting or stopping the bot runs the corresponding commands directly on the server. Simply put, this control panel makes the process incredibly easy so you don't have to write code manually. We've updated this page, so let's look at what's new. Now, you can view the files of a specific template or instance directly from here, upload them, or overwrite them with new code. You can also download files, update the code, and so on. The logs page also got a major upgrade. It's now much cleaner and easier to read. You just select the instance you want and view its logs. Below that, we've added a performance chart. This displays your exchange balance, which is saved in the database and shows the profit dynamics of your active systems. Since this was just launched, you won't see the full long-term picture just yet. The biggest and most important update on this panel is the automatic update feature. When you see the update button appear next to a template, it means new code is available. Clicking this button automatically downloads the latest version and applies it to your demo or mainnet templates. Once the template files are overwritten with the new code, you just need to click Update on your stopped bot instance. This pushes the new files from the template directory to your specific instance folder, since the template folder and the active bot folder are kept separate. So to recap, as soon as you see the update button light up, it means new code is ready. First, click it to update your templates, then trigger the update on your stopped instance to replace the files, and finally, restart the bot. You can also browse and edit files directly from this page. However, be very careful when editing JSON files. If you miss a single comma, bracket, or parameter, the JSON file will get corrupted and the bot won't be able to read it. But as long as you're careful, you can change JSON configurations, adjust pair settings, or customize profile generation parameters directly from here. Again, just make sure your JSON edits are clean so nothing breaks. When an instance is running, all the files, logs, and data the bot processes are stored in its respective folder. You can see everything here and make changes on the fly. As for the password reset and update feature, you don't really need it, but I left it there just in case. Instead, make sure your template and bot instance folder names match. Otherwise, the update process won't work. The system will alert you if there's an error, but just keep in mind, if your instance is named demo, it must be correctly linked to the demo template folder. The same goes for mainnet, that it needs its corresponding folder to update properly. We haven't made any other major changes to the trading panel, and honestly, we don't need to. We've already added all the essential features, and bloating the dashboard with unnecessary details makes no sense. The server's 1 GB of RAM is more than enough to run a single instance smoothly. As for the bot's internal updates and strategy details, I covered those in the previous video, so feel free to check that out. Once again, I will personally reach out to all existing clients who have purchased the package to deliver this update. If I happen to miss anyone and you don't hear from me, feel free to drop me a message. That's all for now.